Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Sixth Gear Auto. My name is Sam. Today is another car-filled day. So, I have a few different upgrades I will be installing on the Mustang today, including cold air intake, new deck lid, and the hood struts. I was trying to remember exactly what I got. But first, Mustang and I are going to be going to a photo shoot over at STEEDA, which, if you remember, that's where I work. We are heading over there with Kaylin, my girlfriend, with the yellow EcoBoost with the blow-off valve. But this should be a lot of fun. Another car-filled day. Very much looking forward to it. Got one of my neighbors. He's got obviously a tan-wrapped and lowered 2018 generation S550. Thing is gorgeous and it sounds amazing. Can't wait to do the little bit to make it louder. It'll be so good though. Change in plans. I'm getting Kaylin right now instead of her driving out with the EcoBoost. But we are gonna head over to STEEDA after that, get the photos done, maybe move some STEEDA cars around, and then heading over to my friend's house so we can do the work on my car to get it how I want it to be. Like this part though, because it's the bridge with the walls on the side, so I can do this. Oh, I love it. I have 3 batteries.
Wait, does that yellow one down there have the horse?
I do want to have something right as I can hear it from the inside.
We're not gonna wait any longer. By the time we get everybody lined up, whoever shows up, that's the
They can line up in the back.
here.
Oh, he brought his dad too.
So better, a lot than the X like that.
Yeah. Like mine's got the X, and I'm thinking those.
Oh, it's such a good spec. White with blue. So rearranging the cars now to get the photos set. Oh, you have Conrad's remote? Okay. Fitment check. Yeah. That's nice. Got Chris moving the GT350 into position.
He's always in front of me.
That is awesome. Drone. We've got so many cool ones here. We've got Eric's Q500, Chris's Shelby, Mike's bagged and fully built S550. We got his father's GT350. Got Phil's Roush. I'm gonna be working with him later today doing the stuff on my car. Got a Fox body, got the boosted 13, my 14. This is awesome. Deck lid is off. We're gonna be cutting this part out to get this new deck lid over here on. So we cut all that metal backing off. These parts that stick don't exactly stick on all of it, but time to put new deck lid.
No clamp for it.
Right.
So what it does is
Sound pipe.
There,
or the noise
you
pipe.
can run a pipe all the way.
To get more noise.
Yeah, to the cab.
Yeah.
So, but,
And that's what I'd done on the Z4 is I took out some of the foam deadening in mine.
so what we might do, might be able to check in and maybe get the clamps put on there from Scott now.
But looks good.
I wish they
Engine bay is slowly but surely coming together.
I wish I made different kind of filters.
No.
Drives me nuts.
Slowly but certainly engine coming together.
Behind it, so
I'm gonna give you guys a listen to what it sounds like with the intake now hooked up. Because it doesn't sound like much at low RPM, but the second you get above like 3,500, this thing is a lot louder. You can feel it, you can hear it sucking in a little bit more air. It does feel better, it's revving a little more freely. This is awesome. But you can hear it, that high pitch right then and there. Let's see if I get to open it up a little bit in the little stretch before I get to my house, so I can show you guys exactly how this car sounds now. Because after this, I think the only thing I'm going to do to make it louder is I'll cut those bullet resonators out and weld in a straight pipe. And that should be the final step in making this car sound at least how I want it to sound. After that, I'm either still going to do the transmission because hopefully I'll be able to afford it finally because they raised the price on rebuilds. Either that or I'll do the full suspension kit from STEEDA and lower it down a good bit. I think it's down 1 3/4 inches in the rear and 1 inch in the front, or 1.5 inches in the front. Then the short throw shifter goes on. Get my hands on a splitter kit probably. And then, not sure. After that, I'm probably gonna do some more work on body panel work, stuff like that. New spoiler, seat delete, everything like that. Build this thing into the pretty much race car I'm gonna want. Maybe do some front canards and everything. I don't think I'm gonna get a chance to open it up is the problem. Let's see. Not really. There it is. You can hear it a little bit there. There's not exactly room to open it up right now since it's local roads and stuff, but this thing sounds savage now. But that is going to be the end of today's video. That was a lot of, actually not near as bad as I thought it'd be in terms of install time. It was hot out, it was sunny out, obviously sunburned. Again, what a surprise. But the cold air intake looks phenomenal. It sounds phenomenal when I get on it. And that rear deck lid completely changes the look of that rear end. And once I do a new wing and a possible diffuser, it will make it look so unique. I'm very much looking forward to that. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Tell me what mods you want me to do on my Mustang next. And I'll see y'all in the next video. But till then, bye-bye.